Hello and welcome, my name's Hannah and in today's video I am going to be opening up and trying on everything in the number 7 limited edition Beauty Vault. This retails for £45 and is available at Boots, along with a whole bunch of other number 7 limited edition gift sets. This, I believe, is the most expensive set, but they do have a lot of these individual items in different sets. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the video. Okay, so what we get in this set are 2 limited edition lip glazes, which I presume are like lip glosses. We have a limited edition mini eye palette. Everything is limited edition, so I'm just gonna stop saying that. 2 liquid eyeshadows, a highlighter, an eye pot, an eye crayon, a lipstick, a lip liner, and 2 brushes as well. So you are getting quite a lot in this set, which is great and it is really, really gorgeous. If I take this little sleeve off, then you can see they come with little drawers. Everything's wrapped up in tissue paper. So if the formula of these items holds up, this could be a really lovely gift for yourself or for someone else who is a makeup lover. I also think it's great because it's limited edition. It's very unlikely that people will already have these. So I think what we're gonna do is just start by taking everything out of the drawers, swatching everything, and then I will put it onto my face. I've already got my foundation, powder, eyebrows, concealer, all of that done. So in the first drawer, we have the lip glazes. This is Heavenly and this is Luna, and they look really lovely, sparkly, very Christmassy, and I love this packaging, very, very Christmassy. We also have the lipstick. This is in shade Starry Nights, and I don't know if you can see, that has the really gorgeous sparkles all the way through, which is lovely. And we have the eyebrow pen, the eyeshadow brush, could not think of the word brush there for a second. We have the lip liner, again in Starry Night, so it matches the lipstick. And we have the eye crayon in Galactic Gold, which looks like that. Looks like a lovely soft champagne shade. Very, very nice. On to the second drawer. We've got the eye pot, and this hasn't got a shade name. Oh, it looks like a powder, so I'm going to try and show you. But again, it's that lovely kind of soft champagne shade, and I'm going to try not get that everywhere. Then we've got the brush, which looks like a nice powder or blush brush, so we'll be putting blush on with that. And the highlighter in Heavenly Glow. Nice big pan size for the highlighter, which is great, and it looks like this. Maybe slightly more gold, but still champagne-y sort of a shade. Very nice. And then final drawer is the 2 liquid eyeshadows in Satin Shimmer and Mercury Shine. So a lovely gold and a lovely silver. Very sparkly, very Christmassy, which is great. And we have the mini eyeshadow quad. I don't think this has a shade name, but this is what it looks like on the inside. So you've got a nice matte brown, 3 shimmers, pink, gold, and brown. I think this is really nice. Reminds me of a little Charlotte Tilbury quad. So that's everything unboxed, and you know what, it is really, really nice. I do like that you get a good variety of stuff. I decided to pick this up rather than the number 7 advent calendar, because the number 7 advent calendar that was £45 as well, so the cheaper one, had a lot of skincare items in it, and I much prefer the makeup items. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items, including the brushes, and you get all makeup, which is great. If you wanted, I guess you could buy this, you could make it into a little advent calendar, so wrap each of these up with a little number on the front and you get 12 days of Christmas. But the packaging's great, the shades are lovely, they're what you want for Christmas, and I'm really excited to be trying everything on. So we shall get swatching and trying on before I babble on too much. All right, so shall we start with lip stuff, and then we can base the rest of the look around that. So we have the lip liner, which is a nice point It's nice and creamy. It's this gorgeous warm pink shade, I would say. And that is going to match the lipstick, which I still love this sparkle. Oh, it's so good. That is a nice creamy lipstick. I have to say, actually, I do have a few number 7 lipsticks and they're really, really nice. I would recommend the formula for number 7. And that is that. It is more of an orangey pink, which is exactly my type of shade. So I'm excited to be trying that on. And then finally we have the 2 lip glazes. So this is Heavenly, and that is what it looks like there. More of an orangey shade with a little bit of shimmer. And this is the shade Luna, which is a bit more cool toned, a bit more shimmery, but still a lovely pink color. Oh, Luna's got a lot of sparkle in it. Really lovely. That applied very, very, very smoothly, and it's got a little sharpener on the end there as well, so you can keep that point nice and sharp. Okay, so moving on to the lipstick. Really creamy, nice and hydrating, but that's a really nice color. And I like that it's not red. You get a lot of reds in these sorts of holiday collections, and I like that it's a little bit more of a muted color. I think what I'm going to do is put the sparkly lip glaze on top, because why not? There's going to be a lot of sparkle in this look. This is the shade Luna, and I'm just going to pop it onto my finger and then tap it over the top so it's not too much. Stunning. Lovely. Oh, I really like that. Do you know what? I feel like number 7 products are quite underrated, and the packaging's always lovely, and they get their colors really right, which is a big issue I find with some drugstore products, and particularly lip products. They get their undertones really right with number 7, and I appreciate that. Let's go for the highlighter next, and again, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna swatch it and pop it on the back of my hand. Nice, smooth, gorgeous, not too glittery, a little bit glittery, but let's put that onto the cheeks. It's a lot more subtle than I thought it would be, but I quite like that. Let's see if we can build this up. Yeah, you can definitely build that up if you wanted it to be quite blinding. Does feel nice and Christmassy because it's got that gold tone to it. I like that. That's nice. I like it. All right, we're gonna go in with the brush and we're going to find a blush that I think will go with this. Bear with. I think what I'm gonna do is take the Jouer Blush Duo in Adore, and I'm just gonna mix both of these shades together and put them on the cheeks. It's a nice soft brush. It's not the best brush I've ever used in my life, but does the job. It's a nice little addition. It is distributing the color quite nicely, so you know, it'll do. Right, so moving on to eye stuff. I am going to swatch everything first and then figure out what I want to do, because I don't know what I want to do. Starting with the eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to dip into all of these shades and swatch them on the back of my hand. So we've got the pink shimmer, the gold shimmer, the brown shimmer, which is coming up quite coppery, which is nice, and the matte brown. Very nice. This is the liquid eyeshadow in Satin Shimmer, and this is the silver one. This is the liquid eyeshadow in the shade Mercury Shine, which is the gold one. That's like almost champagne-y gold, not straight gold, so matches the rest of the items in the kit, which is nice. And this is the eyeshadow pot, and I'm going to be very careful with this. So I don't think it is a powder. I think it might be a cream. And this is what this looks like. A little bit more subtle, but definitely more gold. And champagne. Very nice. Now I just have to figure out what I want to do. So I think what I'm going to do is use the little eyeshadow brush to try and get the brown shade into my crease, the matte brown shade, and work from there. So again, it's a nice soft brush, but it's not the best brush I've ever used in my life. Oh, do you know what I didn't do? Didn't swatch the eye crayon. We will do that after this. I do quite like the shape of this because you can really create a little, you know, blown out corner with it. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know what I'm trying to say, to be honest with you, but it's blending out nicely. And then while I remember, I am going to swatch the eye crayon. This is what that looks like. Very metallic, soft champagne, and it's be lovely in the inner corner and under the brow bone. So brown brow bone. So I think that's what I'm going to do with this. I am going to put it away for now. I do wish this had maybe a slightly darker brown to deepen up the crease, but it is what it is. What I'm going to do is use the shade Mercury Shine on the rest of the lid. I'm just going to pop that on the back of my hand and use my finger to apply that. Ooh, okay, that's shiny. I mean, it's called Mercury Shine. I don't know what else I expected. That is lovely. I really like that. It just looks lovely, glittery, so Christmassy. Look at that. Oh, that's so Christmassy. I love that. And then what I think I'm going to do is grab this cream. I'm not sure it's going to show up, you know. Is it cream? It seems like maybe it's a powder. It's very gold. Okay, I'm going to pop a little bit of that in the center of the lid because we're going to try and use everything. Just to see if we can intensify that. Yes, we can. Okay, so that's much more of a smooth, metallic-y powder rather than the liquid eyeshadows, which are more glittery. But I really like that. It gives you a bit of variety on what you want to do. We're just putting it over the whole lid. Yeah, that's definitely added something to the lid. I like that. It gives you the choice between something metallic and something glittery. And then I'm going to take this eye crayon and I'm just going to pop this into the inner corner and along the brow bone. Don't know why I'm making this stupid face. It's not going to make a difference. Again, this is something a bit different and it's quite metallic, but it is lighter. So if you wanted to do something a little bit more subtle rather than full on gold Christmassy, you can do that with this. I like that they've included a variety of eye products. Okay, so that is everything in the box that I've tried on. I'm just gonna pop on some mascara and then I think that'll finish everything up nicely. I have a new mascara from Revlon called So Fierce. This I definitely bought because of Alana Davison. And let's just pop this on, try this out now. I think we're gonna need a couple of coats of this. It is separating the lashes really nicely. The wand is not as flexible as the wand on Sky High mascara, which I quite like because it means that you can really get into the lash line and wiggle. Yeah, that's nice. That's a really nice mascara. That hasn't clumped up at all. It's separated my lashes, it's lengthened them. I don't think it's volumized too much, but it's a dry formula, which I like. It means you don't get as much mascara all over your lids, or I don't get as much mascara all over my lids when I'm putting mascara on, but it's nice. So this is the finished look using all the products from the Beauty Vault. I really liked these. I thought they were fun, they were festive, because as I said, the limited edition, if you are buying this as a gift for someone, then it's unlikely they already have these. I think this is definitely worth the money. And if you prefer just lip items, they definitely do. I know they sell these lip glazes in a gift set separately. I think they sell this in the lip liner separately. So if you like the shade of the lipstick, but you're not keen on all the sparkly eye bits, there are lots of options. Success, and I'm feeling very Christmassy now. If you liked this video, then please do give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then please hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you are alerted every single time I upload. And apart from that, I hope you have a great day, a great evening, a great festive period, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.